Hi everyone, welcome back to our Lavanya chemistry classes. Today topic is Hess law of constant heats of summation. This topic is from thermodynamics grade 11. Now we are going to learn about Hess law of constant heats of summation. Before we are going to discuss these topics, I request all of you please subscribe and support. Moving to the topic, what is Hess law of constant heats of summation? The Hess law of constant heats of summation, also known as Hess law or Hess law, is a relationship in physical chemistry named after German Hess. He is a Switzerland born Russian chemist and physician who published in the year 1840. This law states that the total enthalpy change during the complete course of a chemical reaction is the same whether the reaction is made in the one step or in several steps. What is Hess law of constant heat of summation? The total enthalpy change during the complete chemical reaction, is the same whether the reaction is made in one step or in several steps. See here, in path 1, A changes to D directly in a single step, A to D. Delta H is the total enthalpy, change in total enthalpy. And A to B is the change in enthalpy is the total heat is, that means the A to B is the heat is delta H1, and B to C the second path is the delta H2, and C to D path is the total heat, and that means the heat is delta H3. The total heat change in the path is delta H. So delta H equal to delta H1 plus delta H2 plus delta H3. In this relation, we also, in the terms are, these terms are also used. Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. For example, the CO2 gas is obtained from carbon, graphite and oxygen. This is in gas and in two different ways. See here, look at this example. The C to CO2 is the direct step, and C to CO and CO to CO2 is the different steps. Carbon, we are taking carbon plus O2 gives rise CO2. The total heat is minus 393.52 kilojoules. And the different several steps, that is C plus of O2 gives rise CO, carbon monoxide is formed. In this reaction, in this path, the total, that means the heat is delta H1 is minus 110.5 kilojoule. And next step, CO plus half O2 gives rise CO2. In this reaction, in this reaction, the heat is, that means the enthalpy is minus 283.02 kilojoules. So the total change in enthalpy is minus 110.5 plus 280 minus 283.2 equal to minus 393.52 kilojoules. Once again I repeat this. The total change in total enthalpy is minus 110 in the first step, minus 110.5 kilojoule, and the second step minus 283.0 kilojoule is equal to the total step. The total, this is equal to delta H1 plus delta H2 equal to delta H. So the delta H value is the minus 110.5 kilojoule and delta H2 value is the minus 283.0 kilojoule. So the sum of delta H1 and delta H2 is minus 393.5 kilojoule. So this reaction is this is example for Hess law of constant heat of summation. Once again I repeat this statement. The total enthalpy changing during the chemical reaction is the same whether the chemical reaction is one step or in several steps. This is Hess law of constant heats of submission. Please subscribe and share and support us my channel.